Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing data. Backup desktop, documents and pictures to an external drive or cloud. Once done, disconnect unnecessary USB devices and plug into AC power so the process won't stop. Now open Settings, go to System, then Recovery. Choose Reset this PC. Pick Keep My Files or remove everything based on your need. You're starting the reset immediately. This prevents configuration conflicts and ensures the procedure runs from a clean, powered environment. You'll decide between cloud download and local reinstall. Choose cloud if system files are corrupt or you have fast internet. Choose local to save time. During the reset, watch the progress bar and avoid forcing a shutdown. Only intervene if it's stuck at the same % for more than 20 minutes. If Windows asks for credentials or BitLocker keys, supply them or suspend encryption before reset. These steps prevent authentication stalls and allow the installer to replace damaged system files cleanly. Once the reset finishes, complete the out-of-box experience to create your account and preferences, then restore your files and reinstall apps. Make sure to run Windows Update repeatedly until it reports no more updates, and check Device Manager for any driver warnings. Download OEM drivers if you see missing devices. If the reset fails or loops, create USB install media and perform a clean install, keeping your Windows product key ready. This final tip resolves persistent corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.